Today we're going to be replacing a cabin air filter on a Chevrolet Equinox. It's quite simple in a way. We're just going to lower the glove box down. Then you got this deal here. You just gotta get past where it opens at. Take your thumb and finger and just kind of work past each other. Like so. Then after working past that, you lift the glove box door off the hinges. Just lift up. And there's the cabin air filter door. It's got two latches on it. Push up on the latches and pull the door as you push up. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty easy job. It'll save you some time and money doing it on your own. If it did, it helped you out any, just subscribe to my channel and give me a like, and I would appreciate it very much. And have a great day.